Hello, how are we doing? You guys all right? You getting through it? Having a good week? Woo, we're getting there. Okay, so this week you have two readings. Shaping Selves of Young Salespeople, which is also kind of tying into this idea of social construction of reality, and then the persistence of gender inequality in employment settings. And so you're going to have a question on each of those in the discussion forum. And the other thing that you have due this week is your short reflection essay. So that's due on the 29th. That is, you can get it done as soon as possible. Maybe you already have it done. I don't know. You're going to reflect. Let's look at it together, shall we? A 2 to 3 page informal reflection on one of the articles that we've read over the course of the semester, okay? And it's not due December 6th. It is due November 29th because you are getting out of here. This is it, man. You're a week earlier than my other school, and so you gotta finish this. So if you have any questions on that, or if you feel like I've led you astray, I don't think you saw that though. Just pretend like you didn't see that. You'll get it to me by November 29th, which is a week from Sunday. Obviously, if you have any issues or you need extra time, just let me know. But it's a shorty. It's a reflection. I read this article. It was interesting. Here's kind of how it relates to maybe stuff that I think about personally, plus stuff that we've talked about up to this point. Pretty casual, a reflection, kind of like a journal entry. So, so there's that. So that's what you're doing this week. It should be pretty good. That's the last bit. Let's scroll down here to this very big behemoth of work that you did this semester. I mean, gosh, you've done a lot. You should be very proud of yourselves. So there is this. And then, whoa, it's the final. So that's it. So I'll check in with you in a week, and I will have the final ready for you to look at. It's not quite ready. I need a little more time. Please give me a little more time. But then as soon as it's ready, I'll throw it in here. Okay, as soon as it's ready. Not going to say that it's going to be ready by the time this opens, but it will be in there before this week ends. Okay, so that's a deal. That is my promise to you. But it's not due until December 8th, I do believe, is the last day. But I will confirm that and make sure that it is the last day of the winter quarter or winter semester, so that you're not, I won't make it any earlier. You have until the very last day of this semester. All right. Reach out if you have questions. Sorry if that sounded a little convoluted and if I'm distracted, but I have to meet with my vice president in 20 minutes and I have to be sound professional and smart. And so I'm just trying to get things done. All right. So thinking of you, sending you lots of positive energy, and looking forward to hearing what you have to say about the module from last time. All right. Bye.